In this video, I'll show you how to sound like Deku using ElevenLabs. I didn't even find the voice in the library. They have thousands, but don't worry, we can make our own voices as well. So come here, where it says voices. When you're logged in, click on this plus icon, okay? And then go ahead and click on instant voice clone. So what we're going to do, guys, we're going to have to upload at least 10 seconds of audio of Deku. So I did get the audio. This is the official voice actor for Deku from My Hero Academia. And there we go. We have dragged and dropped this file. Make sure you toggle this one on to remove the background noise from the audio recordings. Go ahead and click on next right here. Then we need to just add some voice information. Things like the language, the name of the voice, and just a description. So let me choose the language as English. Let me get a name and a description for the voice as well. All right, now make sure you toggle this one on and then click on save voice. And then we're going to generate something using this voice. So click on generate speech right here. And let's give it some text to turn into speech. So there we go. Make sure the model is 11 multilingual v2. Speed, you can keep it at 1. Okay, depending on your character. If your character tends to speak faster, okay, go ahead and do that. Increase it, right? Make it faster. Now, stability, I want you to keep it at 50%. And similarity, keep it at 75%. Now, you want to make it more stable if you're using a lot more text than this. Make it more stable. I'll leave style exaggeration at none and speaker boost on. Let's go ahead and generate this speech and see if it sounds like Deku.
Hey, ElevenLabs, it's Izuku Midoriya. I'm testing this voice system. Let's see how accurately you can capture someone aiming to be the #1 hero.
Wow, that actually did a pretty good job, guys. Check out the link in the description and try it out for yourself.